Wi-Fi has become a necessity in our daily lives. But sometimes, you might have trouble with it. What about buying a new mesh set? You could, but that might be a little expensive. Why not go for a range extender then? Well, configuration will be complex for one thing, and the connection would still drop when you walk around your home. TP-Link One Mesh solves all your problems. Just update your existing TP-Link router's firmware to the One Mesh version, no need to replace it. Buy one or more One Mesh extenders, all at a low cost. Follow simple, in-app instructions to configure your One Mesh system in minutes. Now you'll enjoy non-stop mesh Wi-Fi and true seamless roaming in every corner of your home. One Mesh. Flexibly create a whole home Wi-Fi. Cyber threats, like ransomware or spyware, are on the rise with an increased number of connected devices in our homes. Attacks are becoming much larger in scale and reaching more homes before they are stopped. Protecting only your PCs and laptops may not be enough to keep your network safe. Today, more and more IoT devices are being targeted because they lack security. TP-Link Home Shield protects every device connected to your network from cyber threats and updates automatically as soon as new threats are discovered. Home Shield has powerful parental tools that keep your family safe. With Home Shield, you can view regular reports of internet activity, restrict content for a family member, block specific websites, and set online time limits and allowances. You can even pause the internet from your phone when family time is more important than screen time. With quality of service, you can assign priority to the devices you use most, so your connections stay fast whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing anything else. Don't leave the safety of your data, devices, and family up to chance. Home Shield keeps you protected.
As cyber attacks become increasingly sophisticated, having robust cybersecurity to protect your home and all your devices is crucial in keeping your private data, well, private. So, how does Netgear Armor protect your family from cyber threats? Like joining the world's largest neighborhood watch, Netgear Armor is a part of a worldwide network of over 500 million monitor devices that proactively detects cyber threats. Every protected device works together, like a digital neighborhood, watching out for each other and every device in your household. Once any device in this vast network is targeted by a cyber attack, all others become aware of the same threat in as little as 3 seconds. This means everyone is less likely to be victimized by any attack. Also, behind the scenes every day, over 11 billion digital security agents search the web for cyber threat patterns and signature clues. These proactive investigations help keep Netgear Armor constantly ahead of spreading global attacks and enables it to block threats right in their tracks. Netgear Armor is powered by Bitdefender, an award-winning internet security company trusted by businesses and consumers worldwide to keep computers and networks safe. In a world of constantly growing new cyber threats, Netgear Armor helps you and everyone in your home to stay safe and one step ahead of hacker attacks, computer viruses, and internet scams.
We are here today to show you our flagship Nighthawk Pro Gaming Wi-Fi 6 router, the XR1000. The XR1000 features the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology with Duma Gaming OS 3.0, which is capable of reducing ping rates by up to 93%. The box shows you all of the new and key features of XR1000 that deliver an optimized gaming experience, including geofencing and bandwidth allocation. The back and sides of the box explain more about Wi-Fi 6, Duma OS, and Netgear Armor, which keeps your network safe as you game, stream, and more. Listed on the bottom of the box are the tech specs for XR1000. As you can see, this is a Wi-Fi 6 AX5400 with 160 MHz channel support and 5 Gigabit Ethernet ports. Now, let's take a look at what's in the box. When you open the box, you'll first find the Quick Start Guide with a QR code that will instruct you to download the Nighthawk app. This will guide you through the installation of the router later on. Next, carefully take out the router. Once you've done so, you'll see a box of accessories at the bottom of the box. This includes 4 antennas, a power adapter for your router, and an Ethernet cable, which you'll use to plug into your current internet service provider device, like a cable modem in your home. Install the antennas by following the antenna labels printed on both antennas and router. On the back of the XR1000, you'll find 5 Gigabit Ethernet ports and a power port. These are for your power adapter and Ethernet cable, which you'll plug into the device you use to connect to internet, like a cable modem from your service provider. Now that we've unboxed the XR1000, let's briefly walk through this easy setup with the Netgear Nighthawk app, which is available in the Play Store and App Store. Make sure that you have downloaded the Nighthawk app on your mobile iOS or Android device, and that all your XR1000 contents have been removed from the packaging. Plug in one end of the included Ethernet cable into the yellow port labeled Internet. Then, plug in the other end into one of the Internet LAN ports of your ISP device. The power adapter will plug into the power port on the back of the XR1000. Then plug in the power brick to power up your router. Once your router's LED light turns on, you can follow the step-by-step setup process using the Nighthawk app. After opening the app, create an account or log in to move forward with the setup process. If your router detects a new available firmware, we recommend that you update to the latest firmware so your XR1000 gaming system will have the latest security and performance fixes. The setup of your XR1000 is now complete. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.